With the second pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Philadelphia Eagles select Carson Wentz, quarterback, North Dakota State.
It goes without saying that this is the highest a North Dakota State Bison has ever been drafted in the National Football League.
First quarterback ever.
Second overall. Carson Wentz, Philadelphia Eagle.
Special moment for a Division I AA player. There is precedent. Remember Joe Flacco, first-round pick in Baltimore, came out of the University of Delaware. He only had 27 starts when he came out of Delaware. This young man's had 23 starts. Only thrown the football 612 times. He's the #1 player on my board. So while I understand and believe that Goff is more ready to play today, I think he's going to be the better player 5 years from now.
Eagles fans enjoying it with a young lad. Is that a LaShawn McCoy jersey, I imagine? 25. Draft party in Philadelphia, PA, and then the famed Bird and Horns establishment in Fargo, North Dakota.
I have to tell you, out of all the pro days I've been to in the last 10 years, I was at Coach Shaw's pro day this year. I was everywhere. That's my favorite stop in 10 years. The people and their love for the game of football in Fargo is unbelievable. Now let's take a look at why Carson Wentz can be so special. 6'5", 237 pounds. How tough is he? Philly's gonna love that. Blue collar, in the pocket, under center. This is a far hash throw with his feet glued in the ground. This time on the move, touch and accuracy. Last minute of the game against Northern Iowa. Can he drop it in the bucket against double coverage? Yes. Win a game, 5 consecutive national championships.